Today I'm going to show you how to get royalty-free music to enhance your YouTube videos. I assume you've seen hundreds of YouTube videos and may have even uploaded a few. If you don't know how to do this, my video called How to Upload Your Own Videos to YouTube, which is available at this web address in red, will show you how to create an account, to sign in and upload your own videos. One of the biggest problems with videos is finding suitable background music. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Once you've signed in, click on your little icon and click Creator Studio. When you've done that, go down the left here and click on Create. This will open the audio library, which contains free music and sound effects. I've already made a video how to get free sound effects at that web address, but today we're going to show you how to get background music. When you click on the free music tab, hundreds of songs will appear, with the most popular ones at the top. The longer the line, the more popular. We can scroll down here and find some other songs. This one has actually got a little man here. If we listen to that song, you'll notice it's nice music, but we have to have an attribution to the author. So what we'll do, we'll click up here, Attribution, and we'll select Attribution Not Required. So this will get rid of all those little men and all the songs that need attribution. Now I'm going to do a search. I'll look for surf, songs with surf in them, or the sound of surf. And we've got quite a few here. Let's try Venice Beach. Now that's not too bad. Now this is Venice Beach. It goes for nearly 3 minutes. It's pop and happy. It's pretty popular. We can download it now, or we can click here and add it to favourites. I've already reduced the list of songs by selecting Attribution Not Required and songs between 3 and 3.5 minutes. We can reduce it further by selecting the genre. I'll select country and folk. For the mood, I'll have inspirational. And for instruments, we'll go for acoustic guitar. Now this one here, country and western, fairly popular. Let's have a listen to Sugar Pines. That's quite pleasant. Goes for just over 3 minutes. Country folk, instrumental, reasonably popular. I won't download it now. I'll save it as a favourite. Now that I've clicked on favourites, all the ones I've selected appear here. And you'll notice that some of them go for more than 3.5 minutes because I've previously selected some other songs that go longer. So let's have a look at the top one, Sugar Pines, goes for 3.25 minutes. And now we'll download it. It's already been saved as a favourite. So we'll click on the download, we'll select Save File, and this will save it to the default directory for your downloads, which in my case is the downloads directory, and it's here. Displays the progress of ongoing downloads. Let's open it up. It's completed. Show all downloads, and here we are. I've just downloaded Sugar Pines. You can copy that into the directory with all your draft photos, videos, etc., and add it as background music to your next video. I hope you found that interesting. I have over 100 videos up on YouTube. Search under my username HX7V and you might find something else of use to you. Bye for now.